how to change your password on the NMC Practitioners site. So I know you've been waiting for this for a very long time, and thankfully the system is now active. So what do? You have to simply go to your browser or go to Google. So let's go to Google, right? Just go to Google here, then you type the NMC Ghana and tap on it. Once it loads, it gives you this feedback. Then you tap on Home, Nursing and Midwifery Council of Ghana. Once you select that, it loads and brings you here. So you just scroll down, then you tap on License Renewal. Once it brings you here, you tap on Access Portal. Once you are here, you've forgotten your password. What do? You just tap on Forgot Password. It brings you here, and here they ask you for your email. So here you put in the email you use in registering the NMC Practitioners Portal. What it means is that if your email was wrong, you can't use this feature. You have to visit NMC office on that. But if your email was correct, as I advised, then you just put in the email here. So let me do mine and ask for the reset password, and let's see how it happens. After entering your email, you tap on Send Email. It loads, depending on how fast your network is. It could take some time. And bam. So once you get this feedback, check at the top. It will come there that they've sent you an email. So once you get that feedback, what you need to do now is to go to your email account. Once you get your email account, you will see this email. Let's start with Practitioners Portal, Reset Password Notification. So what do you do here? What you do is that you have to tap on that. It opens this way for you, and then you read whatever they are telling. So they are saying, hello, you are receiving this email because we received a password reset request for your account. So just scroll down, and here they are saying that this password reset link will expire in 60 minutes. So if you request for the password reset, the link that has been sent to you will expire in 60 minutes, and that's within 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can't use that same link. You have to request for another link. So here's the link. The link is just below this. You see the rating or this text, which is, if you are having trouble clicking the reset password button, copy and paste the URL below in a web browser. So what you need to do is that you just tap on this link. So this is a link. See, once you tap on it, it brings you here. So you get this portal where they ask you to now enter your new password you want to use. So remember, I always say, write the password down before you key it inside. So don't forget about that. So you see, we have this eye icon here. What do we use that for? This is there for you to be able to check to see exactly what you've typed. So let me make an example. I've typed something. When I tap on the eye icon, it reveals what I've typed there for me to see. If I tap on this, it reveals it for me to see. So once you are done entering your password, remember to tap on this eye icon and see exactly what you've typed. Is it what you wanted or is something different? If it is what you wanted, then you proceed and tap on reset password. If it is not, you clean it or you delete it and type it well. And please, for some of us who are using Chrome or using Google phones or Android phones or some other phones, sometimes you'll be given some automated or auto-generated password. Please don't use that one. You'll forget it. By all means, you forget those characters. So please, when you see a default password generated for you with some bizarre characters, what you need to do is to clean them, or you tap on the option that says that allow me to choose my own password. If you tap on it, it will give you the option to select or to choose your own password that you want to use. Once you are done and you've confirmed that it is exactly what you've written or what you've typed, you now tap on reset password. And bam, now my password has been resetted. After doing that, what do I do? Once it brings me here, I'll simply enter my email or my PIN, and I'll enter the password that I just resetted, and I'll be able to log in. So let me do that for you to see. After keying in your email or your PIN with the new password that you just resetted, you tap on sign in. And bam, it opens your portal for you and now you can have access to your portal. So this is how you can reset your password.